absolutely wild that this area is still all flooded. It has been several weeks since the hurricanes that didn't even really come through this area. It was just a lot of rain. You can see it had all of this was all underwater for a while. And it's still all over the place. Man, that is still deep as well. Oh, what are these? Are these dates? Whoa, what are those? There's some funky looking fruits, but this is nuts. And there is a lake or a little pond right there just on the other side of that, which I thought all of this would be reclaimed by it. And it has been hot these last few days, so I also figured that maybe it would just evaporate and all go away and these would be open again, but definitely not yet. This is pretty squishy. Get to the other side. There's a cat over there. How nuts. But it is such a beautiful day. Cannot wait to get out and about and do some cool stuff with the family. So let's go back and check on them. Just got done taking trash out. Love riding on my electric expedition. Makes things so much easier. And funny enough, the speed on it is absolutely fantastic. And if you use the pedal assist, it makes it feel like it goes even faster. I don't know why. But definitely carrying around the family is easy on this bad boy. I like it so much that I'm actually representing with my shirt today as well, because these fit really nice. I do like the merch that they have to offer, but let's go check in with the family and see what they're doing. Before I check in with the family, I had to race down over here to Lake Hancock, which is attached to the 1,000 Trails that we stay in, and they have already found something super duper cool. Let's see if I can get a good picture of it for everybody else to see. There it is right there. A nice little woodpecker of some sort. I can't imagine that I'll get a clear enough picture to actually figure out what that is, but absolutely wonderful to spot something like that so early in the morning. One of my favorite. And here's a better look at the lake, and just across this lake over there is Disney, or at least you can see the fireworks from here, and it's absolutely spectacular. We got people fishing already, people riding in their kayaks, and some other new stuff that's here. It's been a while since we've been here, and all of this has changed from the hurricane that came through not too long ago that I was just talking about. But this is also new as well. This was not here a few months ago when we were here. In loving memory of our friend David Brown, never forget. That is amazing that they put a memorial here. And there are alligators. This is Florida. You might be able to see alligators. There's definitely some fish. Oh, I can see some right there. Let's see if I can get you guys a good look at those. There they are right there. Look at those little fish. Fishing around doing fish things. Fish business. I love it. This lake is massive compared to some of the other lakes that are around here. But I think from what I read, it's only a maximum depth of 16 feet, which isn't bad at all. This would be great for like a small scuba, but you better be careful because like I said, there is alligators. We have seen alligators here before, and they're spotted here all the time, especially where that gentleman is kayaking. That is like a big, huge area for alligators. That's where they're normally seen. I don't see any right now. It is about 9 in the morning. Maybe it's not warm enough, but hopefully later on in the day we'll be back. It's gonna get up to like 85, maybe almost 90 degrees today. We'll see if we get lucky in spotting an alligator. But now let's definitely get back to the electric and get back over to the family and see what they've started without me. Something I have not had to do yet since having the bikes, and I've had them for about a month, maybe 3-ish weeks, closer to a month, is having to charge it. But as you can see, there's 2 batteries, so I need 2 chargers. But that means this lasts twice as long and it goes very far. The battery charge is wonderful on these, and cool thing is they actually have a button you can press to see just how much battery is left in each battery, and this one is definitely, that one is definitely well below, so we definitely got to get them charged up. Each one has its own side, and they're removable as well. As you see here, you can turn this key and the batteries come right out, which is pretty cool. So you can charge them in the comfort of your home or in the safety of your home, wherever you want to, so you're not just leaving it out and about. I should mention that the only reason I do have 2 chargers is because we have 2 bikes. It came 1 charger per bike, but check this out. When you plug it in, you can see it's green before it's actually plugged in. Once you're charging, it's red, and it will turn green once it's done, but not only that, you'll get a visual on the actual battery itself that it is charging, so you'll get to watch it charge as well. Mom is outside already enjoying breakfast with the kids, or at least was.
He just left me.
He just left you, but we can see we actually have a fire pit. Our neighbor brought over a fire pit. We hooked it up to our propane, so that was wonderful. And check it out, they're over here playing. So cute. Look at the little monkeys in the tree. Hi, Natalie. It's our neighbor Natalie. They love Natalie. We've met them here in Florida and then found them again in Maine, and now they're back in Florida with us, which is great. So that'll be a good day. What are we planning on doing today?
Well, we need to replace the anode rod because it's looking a little rough.
Oh yeah, it's been a little rough.
Possibly finish the RV, maybe.
Finish doing what on the RV?
Washing it, you think? Or no?
Yeah, it's a beautiful day to wash.
Yeah, we gotta do the other side, and then I need to finish putting on the Polyglow, which is kind of like the wax. On this side, I only did like a little spot to kind of test it out.
But it looks great. The little spot that you did once you used the oxide. What was that what it's called?
Yeah, the Polyox is incredible. I've never seen a product literally like disappear. Now you did have to use a little bit of arm muscle, which is fine. But it literally got all the sap off of the door, and I was blown away. I literally did like one little section, and I was like, I need to go get Babe and show him. And I came and got you, and obviously didn't record your reaction.
Of course,
you know, we're not even content creators.
No. And this is sap that has been on our RV for months. And I couldn't get it off when it was new with a pressure washer and a scrub daddy. So the fact that the polyoxy just took it off immediately after months of just settling in with heat blasting really on it. Yeah, crazy. Absolutely
amazing
crazy.
Products. I'll tell you that. It got like, so the Poly Prep got like all like the little dirt that's not like rubbed in. It got all of that off. It gave it a nice like little shine, and then I used the oxy only on the door. I didn't use the Poly Oxy on anything but the door because that's what it said to do. And then we'll put the Poly Prep on, or no, the Poly Glow on the entire RV to kind of give it that shine. But you have to do like 8 to 12 coats, so that's kind of time consuming. So I'm taking my time.
Yeah, but each coat dries within 30 to 2 minutes. 2 minutes,
yeah. So I'm excited to get that done and like really see like what our RV should have looked like whenever we got it. What's he doing back there? All right, you guys. So next project for today is we got most of the wallpaper on back there, as you can tell. However, we have this wallpaper right here that I did whenever we first got the RV, but I almost feel like I don't want too many different patterns, so I'm going to go ahead and take all this down, and I'm also going to go ahead and take it down off of the stairs, and I'm just going to add the exact same wallpaper that we just put up, so that way that everything flows a lot better.
What a strange series of events that led us to where we are right now. We had tons of plans to do all kinds of upgrades. We started doing them, and then things started changing. We actually went into Walmart to meet up with somebody to sell our old Furion camera system that I replaced on the RV with the Halo View. And then now we're here at Disney Springs meeting up with friends. So we didn't get to do everything we wanted to, but we're gonna go spend some time with some friends, have a good time, and of course we're so happy to be back in Disney Springs, and we're really hoping that they're doing the Christmas trees right now. I'm pretty sure it started at the beginning of November, but we'll see when we get in there.
All right, guys, so we got off the elevator and now we are heading in. He has to go through the strollers and wheelchairs. Evelyn, Yazzie, this way, baby. Only Daddy, because there's a stroller. And we're gonna go through this way. All right, we passed. Thank you. You too. All right, let's go meet up our friends. But wait, we gotta not leave Daddy. What is it even under there? Oh my gosh, her costume mask. All right, so Babe down the mask, and he's gonna put it on.
I'm gonna get in trouble now.
I know.
You better take that off of me. There we go.
Oh my God, that actually fits.
It's
Were you a Power Ranger, electric Power Ranger?
Let's go.
All right, let's go. Oh my gosh, everything with Daddy's so much fun. Oh, he already took it off.
That was seriously one of the most thorough stroller searches I've ever been through. He had me move the cups right here, these little cups. He just had me pick them up so you can see under them. There was a trash, like a piece of wrapper that he had me move just so he could check underneath it. So he was really having me move everything. That's how I found that mask. But here we are. Made it down to the ground floor of the orange parking garage, which if you do come to Disney Springs, the orange parking garage is definitely where you want to park because it's one of the only ones that's like attached. Plus it's really close to the bus systems if you're going to be taking the bus systems. Are you guys excited to be back here? And yes, they're doing the trees. It is finally confirmed that they are doing the Christmas trees again, so we will have to stop by the shop to get ourselves the scavenger hunt so that we can collect whatever reward it is at the end of this one. Last year it was a pin and it said 2024 and it was absolutely awesome, so I figured, or maybe it said 2023. This one it'll say 2024, so hopefully we'll get another one and that'll be awesome. We'll keep our collection. Where do you want to go first?
Probably should meet up with her friends.
Do you know where they are?
Okay, so she did say that she's going to Legoland.
Oh,
So let's go.
awesome.
Where?
This is what puts the spring in Disney Spring right there. And of course they got their hot air, iconic hot air balloon, which I just found out that you can actually pay to ride. I thought it was just for decorations. I don't think I've ever seen people actually on it and riding, but I guess we don't come here enough. But there it is, launches from right there. We're on our way to Legoland, don't tell the kids, to meet up with our friends, and then we're gonna go do some fun stuff. I love that it's all Christmas theme decked out right now. You got the peanut dogs over there, so adorable. You got lights everywhere. What is your favorite part so far?
Oh, I actually like the little fountains. They're
Yeah.
so therapeutic, I feel like.
I love the Christmas trees.
Yes.
We have to go find out where we can get one of those
I know
things.
we're gonna get a packet, and then we'll show you guys exactly what we're talking about. We're talking about a packet of Christmas trees.
Check it out, they got dinosaurs. You can actually eat a T-Rex at this restaurant right here. And then just beyond that is our destination, somewhere in one of those buildings. And here is a more clear look of the springs. Oh my goodness, that water is crystal clear. Not as much money in there this year. The Grinch must have came by and stole it right before Christmas. All right, we found some place to grab some pamphlets with the stickers for the trees, which is awesome, right at the front of the Disney line. Of course, you have to wait in line because they only have a limited number of spaces that are safe for people to go in, but we're gonna go in just a second and explore some more Legos. Being summoned over here, what's up?
It's X-Men.
Yes!
I don't remember there being an Iceman.
Iceman, he might be in the next season. We haven't started the next season yet. We've only watched, I think, season 1. That's cool. That looks like just like the X-Men that I grew up watching, and of course they remade it with X-Men 97. And yes, now we got our map. How many stickers are there? There is a lot of stickers. There's 21 stickers. Job, Jack's great mathing. Great job counting that. That was incredible. But we only need to find 13 to collect the magic pin. Oh my goodness, she uncovered a hidden slew of more trees to find. Look how happy she is. That's more work we gotta do.
I did not know.
If we didn't know, it's good you found out, because if we would have turned it in with just these ones, they would have been like, how about those? And then we would have had to start all over and find the rest of those trees, because who knows where you can turn this in. We'll find out. This place is so loud and so busy, but look at this. They're over here building their own little people out of all the thousands of Legos that they give you. There's 2 stations. Baron's upset that he can't join the party just yet, but he's gonna break out eventually. I always get super nervous with things like this, especially with Baron, because he still is in the phase of putting things directly in his mouth immediately. So we do have to watch out for him to make sure he's not doing that. So that's why he's still in restraints. Locked up, that's right. And not playing with the other kids, because his little hands are so fast. There's too many kids to be watching at the moment. We are with our friends. They have 5 kids as well. We have 4, so that's 9 kids and 4 parents. That's a lot to watch, so it's better safe than sorry. All right, we got our first one built. What did you build? What is that? You built, it looks like a witch with a, what are those Mexican honchos with a honcho? Oh, no more hats? Christmas trees everywhere. We're here with our friends, the Stinettes. They have their own channel, Simply Stinettes. Make sure you check it out. It's an awesome family to watch and follow and be a part of with. And now we're just going around looking for all the rest of these trees. The kids are already so deep into it. They're just flying through it. Our friends ended up taking off on us a little bit early. They got hungry. They're going to go back to their RV and have dinner. We're going to be there with them shortly, but we wanted to finish the trees and check this out. Let me see. Did we get every tree? Oh yeah, that's beautiful.
Actually, I was missing this one.
Yeah, but that's why we had extra booklets. It worked out perfectly because a bunch of you were missing stickers.
Not me.
Absolutely loving the atmosphere here. Disney Springs is such a fun place because it's not just Disney. It's like adultish and there's a lot of kids stuff. What has been your favorite part
I
so far?
literally just love the vibes here. Like everybody is like so friendly, even though it's sweaty and hot. My favorite part is still finding all the trees. You guys already know.
And if you can hear in the background, they've got live music playing. That guy's voice is great. He is such a great singer.
He's such a great singer.
But now we're on our way to head into the M&M store, I think, to turn in our map.
No, it's CityWorks.
CityWorks.
Next to
So
the
we're going
M&M store.
CityWorks. Next to the M&M store. I thought the AMC. Oh, there it is right there. Here we go right there. CityWorks just beyond those people. So we're almost there. We're going to get that done, get our pins, head to the nearest grocery store, pick up some meat so we can go meet our friends for some tacos.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. We are here in front of the Guardians of the Galaxy's tree to do our pinning ceremony. And there you are, the Disney Springs Christmas Tree Stroll 2024. I love it. Brought to you by Advent Health. There you go. You are now Lady Yasmin. Lady Yasberry. You already have yours on?
No.
Senorita
did.
Eveline. Papa Jackson. And Big Bear
He found
with the crazy hair. He found another Jenny.
Yeah. Oh my.
Oh yeah.
Oh, hang on. Let me put it on.
He wants to eat that crab. He's so hungry.
I know. I don't know if this is the safest for him, but only for the video, and then I'll take it off.
Yeah, of course.
There you go.
There you go. There's your pin. Congratulations, y'all. You guys did a great job. We had an absolute blast today, literally all day, even with the RV upgrades and renovations and stuff that we were doing. The wallpaper is giving us a hard time, but it is still fun to do. Never got to the Anode Ride, but I'm sure we will. But ending it at Disney Springs was such a great way to end the video. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you follow along on our adventure. Don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the content. Don't forget to comment below. We love interacting with you guys that way. We love you all so very much. And remember, life's a lot more fun when you're taking a risk.